Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. MS Word shortcut keys. For today's video, I'm going to teach you about the MS Word shortcut keys and how to see all the shortcut keys in MS Word. So if you're using a Microsoft Word, to see the shortcuts, all of the shortcuts, I'm going to make it as a very easy way to see all the shortcuts in Microsoft Word and to list them all. A pro tip: open up your Microsoft Word. After opening up your Microsoft Word, click on right here, view. After clicking on view, go to Marcos. And then once you're here at Marcos, just switch the Marcos in a word command. Because all of the time it is switched to all active plates and documents. But we don't want it there, so we want it at word command. Once you're here at word command, we need to type in list command. You see there? Command. After typing that, see that list commands, click on run. When we click on run, this will happen. Okay, current keys, settings, all commands, we're gonna do the current keys and click OK. As you can see, here are all the commands. Here, I'm gonna show them to you in this video. So this is the first batch, first page. Here are all the commands. Second page, here are all the commands. Third page, here are all the commands. Fourth page, here are all the commands. Fifth page, here are all the commands. And sixth page, here are all the commands. And seventh page, here are all the commands. In eighth page, here are all the commands. And in ninth page, here are all the commands. And in 10th page, here are all the commands. So there you go, guys. As you can see, there are 10 pages filled with commands that you can use in Microsoft Word. As you can see, 10-page filled with commands. You can use any one of them. Memorize if you're practicing using a Microsoft. You can do this and see what commands. So, and a quick tip for you guys. Just a quick tip. Some of the commands here are mostly easy to memorize when you're trying to memorize the command. When you're trying to memorize a command, just think of it as a, for example, you want to do like a copy paste. So you will do is Ctrl C because it's copy. When you're gonna paste it, it's just a little bit different. Just think of it's Ctrl P because Ctrl P is print. So you understand what I'm saying. It's when you're more easier to you call this to memorize this if you are doing like just use common sense. For example, if you want it to be bold, Control B. And if the for example you did a Control P because it's not space, try going to the commands, then try to learn it, find the pace. Then if you see Control V, then remember that Control V is space and Control P is print. If you understand what I mean. What I mean is, for example, if you're just editing around, typing something, then type in Control P. You type in Control P to paste the the word or something, and it didn't work. It just went to printing mode. Just go here to the Marcus, then look for the command. Then when you see the command, remember what it was that you made the mistake of, and try to apply that. Control P is not space, but Control V is space. So yeah, there you go. That's just a quick tip to memorize those keys and shortcut keys in Microsoft Word. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.